back to 14 seconds.
1:47 to go in the third. Dallas still has only one player in double-digit scoring tonight. That's unbelievable. There's 15 for Howard. The next highest scorer is Kidd with 9. Howard going out of the game as Wright returns. Wright's got 8. On against Wright. Hanging. He is fouled.
No doubt about what Cleveland's gone to in this game. He's in total control of the ball right now.
He'll shoot 2 more free throws, trying to tack on to his 21-point total. Well, you might have heard some boos and some complaints in the arena. Here's the replay that they just saw. Tough to tell if he got any of that elbow. Certainly it was not a hard foul. He didn't get his money's worth. LeBron with a couple of free throws, and it's a 23-point night now for Cleveland. 11 out of 14 free throws down to LeBron, and Cleveland has answered with a 7-1 push. This thing got tied at 63 on Terry Smith. Correa, his pass deflected. He hits the deck. So does Varejao. Zerbiak.
Cleveland pretty good at answering the challenge by the Mavericks.
Wood gives it up to Correa. 1 minute left in the third. It goes back to Nowitzki. He'll shoot free throws, takes a couple. Get 2 with 58.6 to go in the third, and the call is on Zerbiak. His 4th foul. Zerbiak has given Cleveland a nice lift tonight, by the way, scoring 8 points off the bench. He hit the last basket from Mike Brown's ball club and put him up 8.
Well, when Mike Brown took the timeout, coming out of that timeout, that's when on every offensive possession that ball was going into James' hand, much more dominant here in the latter half of the third period, as compared with any other time in this game. But that's what you do with superstars.
Well, sure, and it was funny before the game. LeBron was talking about having more teammates now to help take the scoring load off of him, and he said his dream line for a game would be 22, 10, and 10. But when it comes down to needing to get a win, I think LeBron's okay with having to score more than 22 points. He has accepted the responsibility of doing a lot of the work here in the third quarter and has done it by getting to the line. He's out of the game right now as Mo Williams has gone back in, and Cleveland just gets it back with an offensive rebound. Zerbiak running it down. Gaussian pump fakes pass drop. Fighting Mo Williams. Correa doing a nice job lining him up, and it is an offensive foul on Malik Williams.
Correa, good defensive job. Good job moving his feet.
LeBron getting some rest here at the end of the third quarter. You would guess he might rest a minute or two at the start of the fourth as well. Of course, has the benefit of the quarter break to rest and recuperate for the stretch ride.
Which is exactly why Mike Brown took him out late in this period, so that he could not only get this period of time to rest, but get the period of time that exists between the third and the fourth period. Wallace comes back into the game.
Brandon Bass went in, complete job to get an offensive player on the floor here for this final possession of the third quarter. Or what we assume will be the final possession of the third quarter. Spreading the floor, Dallas. No foul to get to Cleveland. On the 10. Terry operates. They switch the pick. Ben Wallace starting. Now Terry in a pickle. Deflection very foul. And a turnover at the end of the third quarter. So Dallas does not get an opportunity to score at the end of the third.
I'll tell you what, Cleveland has done a very, very good job defending Dirk Nowitzki. Whether it be Wallace or whether it be James, those two guys have really been aggressive in accepting that assignment.
Follow-up by Bob Orville and Emily Jones. Here we go for the final 12 minutes. The Mavericks lost their home opener.